Well, actually, you don't pass now 1 hour, and they try for pet for transport.
2 to 3 hours. We don't get much self, you know, easy. Sometimes we can wanna pass a take bike.
As the sun begins to dip behind the hills of Freetown, the city exhales, but only for a moment. Because here, evening doesn't mean slowing down. It means movement, urgency, and survival.
My name is Ambassador Abbas Ansumana Kamara, and me a student from Pinkandenta College. I do my internship na one hospital, na the dentist department. Well, actually, I can grab around 6. I can grab around 6. I come now Bramale for country Mutka. About 2 hours now before ever I able to get transport. Well, actually, you don't pass now 1 hour, and they try for pet for transport, but I'm not able to get it. So, what do you mean from Musa de Como?
How they describe the only manual for transportation?
Yes.
How the transport is it every day? Now so you consider
the everyday process are the constraint. Everyday process because we normally work in Como around them 5. We at the camp at the snapty before ever able to get transport. It take more than 1 hour. You see, sometimes 1 hour. You see, so I go a lot of constraints.
So you never late whenever you get to
yes, accurate.
So now what's to the public, so either government or anything?
Well, actually, I try for the embassy and the transport your area. So maybe we will able to help with buses then and other things then too. And then I get hotel the Papa government. I'm not over again there for work on the roads then because most of the side them why make we get frequent transportation there? Why make motorcars and they go the frequently just because of the transport and just because of the road side. So you see if the road damage so motorcars they keep balance then they go in that particular area there because they say if you go under in 2 months time we motorcars they spoil. So you see now make the keep another way around for go run another side.
So thank you very much.
This is rush hour in Freetown, where heavy road tells a story and every face carries the weight of the day. Cars stretch endlessly along the street, their horns forming a language of impatience. Kekes wave through narrow gaps, and motorbike dance between danger and destination. On the sidewalk, life continues at a full speed. Street vendors call out their last sales of the day. Commuters walk with purpose, some heading home, others chasing one more opportunity before darkness.
My name is David Sako. I'm a student from the Freetown Polytechnic.
So actually I did on the rush hour in Freetown. So what's your experience? What do you experience whenever this type of rush hour?
Well, the experience is very tough, and this not what today no more. This can happen more time way on passing 4 to 5. Now we can get the experience here. We dey up till for motor car. Sometimes we dey up for like then 2 to 3 hours. We not get motor car self, okay, easy. Sometimes pass people dey lie. For both sides, they need to go, they call short places. That way, passenger, the apprentice, they go able for look to we, what they call them short way there. But if not to that, if we call us out, they go direct. It is tough for we, it is strain. It's now for a very long time. So pass you say like, we call short place, so they will consider you.
Yeah. So, is it that now only even term, this happen or money term back into kind of class, it will also happen?
Yes, both morning and evening term. Morning it can better small. Because we come up quick by then 7, we dey able forget quick. We don't pass 8, 9 na morning also. Na dey the tough time can be. Na morning also it can tough. And sometimes why the car also pass a take like keke, can't do it, take back for that knowledge. So it can tough both sides.
So this transportation, do you ever make you miss out something or not?
Come again?
With this transportation curiosity, if you ever make you late for something or you make you miss something?
Yes, not only one time. Sometimes we can wanna pass a take bike, I pay excess, but I'm not late. More especially who kid on exam. So pass if we don't reach on Saturday, I don't think I'm able to forget. Pass a take bike, they are pay excess so that I don't go be late.
So now which message when they are students, which message they are to the general public and to government and NGOs?
Well, the message to the government, NGOs and the general public, and for let them try for just put things in place. Let them able for control the drivers union there. Because sometimes motor them can be, but when they know they monitor them, they know they do no more things the way they want, so they make with a strain. But if government tell us say on no account, not for the take short way, that way for help. And also to make themselves they do that, they look at and say the police and the harass them too much. So the way we go think we able help them little, the way they take their half way and they're able for cover up. So if government will come in and tell the police them, let them left for the harass them, something that go better. Because most of the times then at the thing and now the way they can grumble. Now no police say they harass we, any how they go, they pay this, they pay that. So now we aid now that they can pull on. And we can really strain for transport business. As I talk to you now, I don't care from this fourth something up to now, I think I'm unable for great.
There is exhaustion here, but also resilience is also present. At every junction, the city negotiates with itself. Drivers inch forward, voices rise, but somehow movement continues. There are no clear rules here, only understanding, instinct, and patience. As the daylight fades, the hustle never stopped. It transformed into a different way.
These 6.5 acres of land available for sale na York. It then at the main highway. From here, you get easy access to Toke Beach and York Beach. You get a beautiful ocean view. You get a mountain view. The land is flat. It's suitable for long or short investment. It's also fine for commercial or residential purpose. If you want, you can do warehouse, you can do bungalows, whatever resorts you want for doing at this land. If you want the entire land, we dey sell and give you. If you want her by acres, we will only sell the back instead of this front. So this is a great and huge opportunity for you, for that you dream investment and idea where you get for do.
In Freetown, rush hour is more than traffic. It's a reflection of a city that never give up. A city where delay holds a story, and every movement carries hope. Because here, even in the chaos, life keeps moving forward. This is Freetown, and this is how the evening rush hour look like.